Is game night getting boring?
Boring game night is confirmed. Proceed with extraction.
You're done.
Game night aborted.
Game nights are supposed to be fun, but let's face it, the stack of games in your closet isn't actually fun to play anymore. You spent a lot of money on them, so you keep them around thinking that you might use them again. Just like the ab dominator sitting around in your closet. Spoiler alert, your abs aren't dominating anybody. Most games are fun the first time you play them, but then they quickly become lame, and then they're only fun for the person who wins all the time. Meredith. You need a game that'll save game night, a game that's always fun and never gets boring because everyone wins every time. Sorry, Meredith. You need Drama Mayhem, the game that changes every single time that you play it. Drama Mayhem combines the creativity of partygoers with hilarious scenarios and unexpected quirks, then randomly selects roles, guaranteeing a new experience every time you play it. I'm a spiritual guru. Just select a scenario card, flip a chip to decide roles, then add a quirk to each player, and then roleplay your way to a night of ab-crunching laughs. Your abs won't even know it hit them.
You're definitely not bleeding right now. It's okay. No.
With over 6 million combinations, Drama Mayhem will never get old. And Meredith can study all the cards that she wants, but it won't change the game. Everything okay in there? And who knows, you might just see your friends a bit differently after you've seen them acting a bit differently than you've seen her act before. So if you'd like to play a game that is fun every time you play it, that you will play again and again, and if you want shredded abs that truly dominate, then support our campaign and save game night for everyone. Your abs will be so tight from laughing you could be in the next Baywatch film. As an extra. Now you may be thinking that you're not good at acting, but you act all the time. Like when you forget someone's name at a party.
Oh, hey, how are you?
Or when you pretend to be interested in what your mum saw on the internet last night. Or next week, as you call in sick to work when the final season of Game of Thrones is released. So, if you want to play the same old boring games, be my guest. Actually, better yet, be Meredith's guest. So what are you waiting for? Get your Drama Mayhem and save game night for everyone. Even Meredith. Just stay on.